Is your aloe vera healthy, green, and alive, but still not producing any pups? If you have been waiting for baby aloe plants to appear around the base, but nothing is happening, don't worry. This is a very common problem. Many people think aloe vera will naturally multiply on its own, but the truth is, aloe vera needs the right conditions before it starts producing pups. Today I'm going to show you one simple natural kitchen ingredient that may help support stronger aloe vera growth and encourage healthier pups over time. But remember, this ingredient is not magic. It works best when your aloe already has good soil, bright light, and proper watering. Let's get started. Aloe vera usually produces pups when the plant is mature, healthy, and growing in the right environment. If your aloe vera is not producing pups, the first reason may be overwatering. Aloe vera stores water inside its thick leaves, so it does not need to be watered too often. If the soil stays wet for too long, the roots can become weak, damaged, or even rotten. The second reason is poor drainage. If your pot has no drainage holes, water can stay trapped at the bottom. The third reason is low light. Aloe vera may survive in a dark corner, but it will not grow strongly there. The fourth reason is poor root health. If the roots are struggling, the plant focuses on survival instead of making new. The simple kitchen ingredient we are using today is rice water. Rice water is the cloudy water left after rinsing uncooked rice. Many gardeners use rice water as a gentle natural plant booster because it contains small amounts of starch and trace. Rice water may help support beneficial soil activity and gentle plant growth when used correctly, but this is very important. Rice water will not force an unhealthy aloe vera to produce pups overnight. Think of rice water as a small natural support. It works best when combined with good light, good soil, and careful. Preparing rice water is very simple. Take a small amount of uncooked rice and place it in a bowl. Add clean water and gently swirl the rice with your hand. After a short time, the water will become cloudy. This cloudy water is the rice water. Strain the rice and collect the water in a clean bowl or jar. Make sure the rice water is plain. Do not use rice water with salt, oil, seasoning, or anything added for cooking. For aloe vera, fresh rice water is best. Use it the same day. Before using rice water, check the soil first. Aloe vera should only be watered when the soil is completely dry. If the soil still feels damp, wait longer. When the soil is dry, use a small amount of rice water instead of normal water. Do not pour too much. Just lightly moisten the soil around the plant. Using too much rice water can cause the same problem as overwatering. A safe routine is to use fresh rice water once every 2 to 4 weeks. That is enough. Rice water alone will not help if your aloe vera is planted in the wrong soil. Aloe vera needs fast-draining soil. A cactus or succulent soil mix is usually a good choice. You can also improve drainage by adding perlite, pumice, or coarse sand. The pot must also have drainage holes, so extra water can escape. Light is another important factor. Aloe vera loves bright light. If your plant is indoors, place it near a sunny window where it can receive several hours of bright light each day. If you keep it outdoors, choose a bright spot, but introduce it gradually to avoid sunburn. The biggest mistake is watering too often. Aloe vera grows better when the soil dries out between waterings. Another mistake is using heavy soil that stays wet for too long. Another mistake is keeping aloe vera in a dark place and expecting it to produce pups. And don't expect fast results. Aloe vera grows slowly, and pup production takes time. If you improve your aloe vera care, you may notice stronger leaves and healthier color over time. Eventually, small pups may begin to appear near the base of the plant. Some plants respond faster, while others take more time. Every aloe vera plant is different. The goal is not instant pups. The goal is a healthier aloe vera plant, and a healthy aloe vera plant has a much better chance of multiplying naturally. So if your aloe vera is not producing pups, try using fresh rice water carefully. Along with good light and fast-draining soil, use it only when the soil is dry, and only once every 2 to 4 weeks. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Rustic Roots for more easy gardening ideas and natural plant care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.